Let's discuss about use of open of things in motion. Indicate this open. The tiger jumped upon the goat. Means motion. You see, jumped upon motion. I mean the certain distance covered by touching the surface. That's why upon the things in the motion, the tiger jumped upon the goal. Right. Then next one, the dog jumped upon the monkey. You see, jumped. See, I mean, it means the dog leaves certain area by jumping without touching the surface. In this condition, are attacking to others in motion. This means the tiger in motion and the dog also in motion. Alright. In this condition, we have to use open. So open is things in motion. Any things or animals or anything in motion, the tiger is in motion and the dog in motion. That's why jumped upon. You see, the motion indicate the motion. The next one, use of above. How to use above? To indicate approximate value. Means it gives the approximate value. There are about 30 nurses in hospital. Means approximate value, not exact, about. If we don't clear about anything, we have to use the about. I mean, there are about 30 nurses. I am not sure how many nurses are there. Why? You see 30 nurses in hospital. There are about 30 nurses in hospital, but we don't know how many. We are confused. We have not fixed number. In this condition, to indicate the approximate value, this 30 nurses is approximate value. That's why in approximate value, we have to use above. There are above 30 nurses, not fixed. Maybe more than 30, maybe less than 30. Alright. So if we don't know the exact value, we have to use above 30 nurses. To indicate the concern to somebody something, they are talking about concern somebody something. Economic of Nepal, they are concerning or talking about economy of Nepal. How to improve the economy of Nepal. They are talking about it. That's why they are talking about economy of Nepal. So this somebody something talking about some topics, some issues. We are talking about the impunity in Nepal. How to eradicate the impunity in Nepal? We are talking about the impunity in Nepal. So yes, we have to remember that when we are talking about something or somebody about somebody in that condition, we have to use about economy, about impunity, about the character of Mr. Hari Bahadur Kharka. All right, you can choose anybody's or something or somebody as a issue or matter as a subject we are talking about. They are talking about. They are something about. They are discussing about. They are concerning about somebody something. That's why we use about. So they are talking about economy of Nepal. We are talking about impunity in Nepal. Alright. Okay. The next one, use of through. How to use through? Through is used to indicate the motion. It indicates the motion of something, motion of somebody something. The thief ran away through the window. This is in the motion, but it you should remember that there is two areas. One is boundary and there is open area. In this condition, we have to the thief ran means they are inside the houses and they ran from the window while people know about people find out the information about the thief. I mean, the thief ran about through the window means they ran from inside to outside. In this condition, we have to use through. We have to use through. Let's see, to indicate the things comes from the goods. Another one, to indicate the things come from the goods means water comes through the tap means something comes from the it is also depend upon medium. You see, the pipe is carry out the water and fall down. It changed from pipe to land or pipe to space, outer space. In this condition, we have to use this through. So, water comes through tap. Water comes through tap. So the thief ran through the window. Okay, the thief ran one media. I mean inside to outside. This is also almost inside the pipe to outside the surface or outside the land or environment. In this condition, we have to use through. Okay, the next one, use of two or two hours. Two or two hours indicate the movement in the direction, certain direction. It indicates the movement to certain direction means the dog ran towards me, the monkey ran towards the field, and the students are running towards the schools. He is going to cinema hall. 2 and 2 hours almost similar. He is going to the cinema hall. To the cinema hall, the dog ran towards me. Alright. In this condition, we have to use 2 and 2 hours. I mean moving from one's direction to another direction. The dog, while the dog chasing me, it means chasing me. The dog ran towards me. He is going to the cinema hall. Yes. So use of upon is the motion jumped up, such type of condition we have to use upon. The tiger jumped upon the goat. In this condition, certain distance without touching, moved, but it is jumped on. In motion is jumped on directly certain surface, the body or something leave the remaining surface to other surface by jumping. In this condition, we have to use upon, about approximate value, about 30 nurses, and it also about talking about something issue, somebody's character, somebody's political activity, whatever. In this condition, we have to use about, approximate and about. And through this one surface to another surface ran through the window, one inside to outside, water comes inside to outside through tap. And 2 and 2 hours indicate the direction. The dog ran towards the monkey and he is going to cinema. The students are running towards the school. Alright, these are the examples, these are the rules how to use of open, about, through and to and towards. Alright.